Hi, Dad. Paano ba maging prepared sa mga disasters at emergencies?
Well, very good question, anak. Ako usually, ang parati ko sinasabi sa mga kakilala ko, ang being prepared sa disaster emergencies is having the proper disaster preparedness kits. Sa disaster preparedness kits, may tatlong categories usually yan. Number one, yung tinatawag nilang EDC o yung everyday carry, katulad nito. Then, meron din yung mga bag-out bags o yung mga emergency bags. Kadalasan, ang category niyan, yung get-home bag at bag-out bags mismo. Then, meron din shelter-in-place kits. Now, isa-isahin natin para ma-explain ko sa inyong mabuti. Let's start with EDC o yung tinatawag na everyday carry. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo ang laman kung ano yung mga bagay na dinadala ko parati. Favorite ko itong bag na to kasi maliit lang, simple lang, at madaling dalhin. Usually, ang everyday carry, number one, dapat meron kang light system. Well, makita nyo naman, ilaw to, flashlight. Okay? Then, meron din akong tinatawag na whistle. Okay? Well, alam niyo naman siguro ang purpose ng whistle. This should attract attention. 6 long whistle blasts would establish na you are in distress. Okay? Especially in situations wherein you need help. Like for instance, what? Merong bad people around. Kailangan mong humingi ng saklolo. Or, ayun ang collapse situation. Okay? Kailangan mo tawagin ng pansin. Sigaw ka na sigaw, napaos ka na. All the best alternative is meron kang whistle. In addition, meron din akong tinatawag na tactical pen. Parati ko itong dala. Well, primarily, pang self-defense. Okay? I use this or for escape. How? Pagka na-trap ka sa isang sasakyan o enclosed area na may salamin, this is a very good glass breaker. Okay, itong tip na to. Okay, so yon ang basics. Now, ano pa ang ibang laman ng everyday carry ko? Well, share ko rin ha. I always bring with me this 3M mask. Nakasil siya kaya ayaw kong buksan. Sayang eh. Well, at least this one, hindi lang panlaban sa mga pandemic o sa COVID, pagka sa mga dust and everything. Kaya you can never tell. Namamasyal ka sa mall, biglang nagkaroon ng what? Smoke, fire alarm, or even worse, nagkaroon ng collapse, balikabok, and you need to cover your mouth and nose, okay? Para makahinga ka mabuti. So I will always bring this. At binubuksan ko lang siya pag emergency. In addition, may dala din ako nung tinatawag na emergency blanket. Okay? Yung space blanket. Bubuksan ko ito pag kailangan ko. While this would give me good shelter and at the same time, keep me warm in emergencies. Maliit lang siya. Okay? Kaya ideal na pwedeng ilagay sa bag. On top of that, para sigurado, nagdala na rin ako ng extra mask para ito muna ang bubuksan ko just in case. Na kung talagang kailangan kong protektahan ang sarili ko sa alikabok, sa usok, dodoblihin ko ang gamit. Likewise, sa mga emergency situation, kaya sa EDC, prepared ka, meron ka rin something to nourish you. Kasi you can never tell. I always bring this high energy bar. Ang shelf life nito, umaabot ng 30 years. Kaya ilagay ko lang to sa bag, okay lang. Dahil, for instance, naglalakad ka, o kaya naman nag-bus ka lang, namasyal ka, pumunta ka sa mall, sa mega mall, then you need to walk home. Eh ako, I'm from Laguna. Tayo from Laguna. Kailangan mo maglakad. From mega mall to Laguna, at least may nourishment ka, assured nourishment ka for you to get home. That's the purpose of it. And I also bring with me, just in case of emergencies, this triangular bandage. This triangular bandage will help me, okay, help me sa mga emergencies. Nagkaroon ng sugat, nagkaroon ng pilay, nagkaroon ng, you need to help someone, at least meron kang bandage. Okay? So all of this, I place it in my EDC. I always carry it with me around. Now, meron din dagdag. course, the ever-reliable lighter. I don't smoke, but I always bring a lighter with me just in case you need to light up something. Okay, you need to warm up yourself. You need a device or something para makapag-communicate ka, para magkaroon ka ng light. Okay, and of course, the ever-reliable alcohol to sanitize yourself. So, ito yung mga basic things and needs na nilalagay ko sa aking everyday carry. As, in addition, nilalagyan ko na rin ng utility knife. Okay? Yung knife na pwede kong gawing pliers. Okay? Tool, multi-tool, pliers, merong mga knife na maliliit na pwede kong gamitin just in case. So, yan. Dala ko parati to, anak, kahit saan ako pumunta. Kahit mamasyal kami ni mami mo, mamasyal kami ng friends ko, I always bring with me this everyday carry. And take note, EDC, it's everyday carry. Hindi dapat iniiwanan sa bahay. Thank you.